Hello all, welcome to Code Marshall. Today we are going to talk about pivot table. Pivot table is one of the vital feature of Excel and which is used to generate reports for decision making, for management purposes, or just to make sure our business is going well. So let's see how does it work and how can we generate reports by using pivot tables. In order to use pivot table, one should have a complete set of data. So I have just used this set of data as an example. In this data, I do have a column name as product name, location, year, month, and revenue. So they do have, their own significance. So management wants to know that which product was sold where, when, and how much revenue was generated by that product. So let's create this report today. So in order to generate a pivot table, what we will have to do is I just need to add a pivot table in my worksheet. Click on the insert tab and there is a first option called the pivot table. Click on the pivot table. You will see that pivot table has already selected the complete set of data, but you can change the selection by clicking on the data which you need to put in your report. So I just selected all the data so far. So now what you need to do is you need to select whether you want to generate the report in the same worksheet or you want to have a new worksheet. So I have selected a new worksheet here. Click OK. So now you can see there are two sections. This is the first one and this is the second one. This is actually the output section and this is the input section. So the requirement was we need to generate such a report which can show us the whole view that which product is sold where, when, and the revenue generated by that product. Now we need to identify the headers here. First, I want to have the time when the product was sold. So what I need to do is I need to put the year and the rows. Now you can see there was only 1 year in the data, 2017. So now I need to put the location when the product was sold. In 2017, the products were sold in India, UK, and USA. So now which product was sold where? And in order to get that, I need to drag product name in row section. Now you can see ABC, DEF, and JKL were sold in India. And the same way DEF, JKL were sold in UK, and ABC and DEF were sold in USA. Now the time is to find the revenue generated by those products. So what we need to do is we need to drag the revenue in the value section. Now you can see that each product has its own value, the location, and the time when it was sold. So this is a report which we have generated. In the right section there are various options available as well. For example, we have used some which is a default, so you can use any of the value like you want to count. Okay, so you can see two ABC product was sold, two DEF products were sold in India, and two JKL. In the same way, two products were sold. You can change any value. You can put the average here. So in India this was the average, in US this was the average, and in USA this was the average. So this is how you can change any of the value. So I'm just going back to the sum. Okay, to generate a pivot chart by using these values, what you need to do is you need to click on insert and click on the pivot chart and click OK. There were various options by which you can change the look and feel of the chart. Okay, So here you can see in 2017 we sold products in India, UK and USA, and each bar denotes the product which we have sold, and the value, the revenue generated by those products is shown on the x-axis. So this is how we use pivot table and pivot chart. Please share your comments and let me know if any other modification is required. Thank you.